Hey guys, today we're back for another video, and today we are going to be opening 8 one packs from T-Racer Series 2. This is, once again, I know at the minute I'm doing some very random videos. However, Arcade, if you're wondering if it's the same one I got the Super Zines from, it's not, it's a different one. But Arcade had T-Racers randomly, Series 2. So I thought, oh, why not? 250 tickets each, got 8 for 2,000. I think they've got 2 left, so I might try and get them at some point. I might make sure of them, or I might just open them. I don't know. But yeah, I didn't actually complete Series 2 because I had a defective box. So I think I'm missing like the rear fast cap and like some sort of wheel. But anyways, yes. Let's just open these, shall we? So, can I just open these barehanded? So I've not opened T-Racer Series 2 since when they released. I mean, these are the older versions, which is what you'd expect in an arcade. They did remaster the packaging to be in the same style as the Fire and Ice packaging later, but I think these were more common, honestly. Right, let's see what we've got. I'm hoping I get the bits I need. There's the checklist. I much prefer the wheel packaging, honestly, than the remastered version they did. I do have a remastered version, but it's sealed like the grape. Always bite your grapes before you eat them, because you can choke on them. Anyways, shall we? We don't have any ultra in this one, I don't think. Let's get it open. Racer. So we have Dusty Wheels. Come on, get your head in the right way. There we go. Right. That's it. Dusty Wheels. For the cockpit, we have... So when did I watch the video on T-Racers? It must have been like... It must have been the Glow Race stuff. There's Dusty Wheels' as cockpit. Come on. Oh, yeah, in case you don't know, you can actually do that with T-Racers. You can just decapitate them if you want. And it doesn't do them any harm. Great. Go on, go in. There we go. Let's do the wheels last. I think that makes sense. Let's do the front. This is the front she has in the cartoon, isn't it? So will this be? Hold on. I'm just curious. No, this is the one that Speed King has in the cartoon. So yeah, I think that is just coincidence we've got this. Don't forget the wheels. We've got these purple ones. I think these are like the medical themed ones, so they'll go with Nitro Cop, I imagine. Or the... Yeah, I think those are Nitro Cops ones. I don't think they're officially paired with anyone, but they are. So yes, we've got Dusty Wheels' car. Nice. Grape. Right, next. Right. Come on. There we are, yes, it's playing nice. Right. We are. Right. Let's go. I don't think we've got anything rare here. Right. Racer. Speed King. Cockpit. Well, should be Speed King's cockpit. Yes. There we go. Yep. Yeah, I ended up getting 2 Speed Kings as well. So, yeah, I didn't end up getting Master, although we did manage to order them from eBay. but not fast cap, I don't think. Right. Shall we spice things up? Do the front first. Yeti-mobile. Yeah, I'm not really good with the names of the parts. Oh, this is like the first part that has any ability. You can see this. This is Nitrocops thing, I think. And then it can move. Can't fire water, unfortunately, but still nice that they made it move. There we go. And the wheels. Oh, we have got speaking of the wheels. There it is, speaking car. As per tradition, we shall have a grape. Alright, next. This is a weird channel. Come on, come on. And then... Hoo-yah! Oh, I think we've got something ultra rare. Oh, two things ultra rare. So I think we've got Golden Kraken's actual private, yeah. So we've got the wheels for Golden Kraken and the actual, and the person Golden Kraken. So we'll just do these first then. The front is not coming out. It's the boxing one. I don't think it is how he's KO. No, he's Fire and Ice. Does he have like the rugby one, I think? I'm not sure. Rear. That's the one off of Super Vroom. Oh, wait, no, what have we got? No, oh no, we've just got Golden Kraken's as the racer on the top, but not the wheels. The wheels are not. Did I get 4? Or have they mugged me off and just given me 3? No, I have got 4. I have got 4. Right. So here we should have Golden Kraken's cockpit. We do, very nice. Am I the only one who noticed? Golden Kraken shares a number with Race, but I don't think they really thought about that. They shouldn't use number 1 in the first series. I don't know. Right, and then Golden Kraken. I've never been sure if the Golden Kraken's supposed to be a boy or a girl. It's incredibly that I know on the website it says he, but I think it says that for all the characters, and we know there are some female ones. This, and then put you in. Arr. Where did my first card go? I'm not sure. Oh, here's Dusty Wheels. Right, fourth car. We're halfway there. Cool Bon Jovi. Right, this is the way we need to do things. Go to this. I think that must be the biggest checklist from any Magic Box tour. Nothing ultra rare in this one. Although I'm more bothered about getting fast cap. Oh, right, is this Dusty Wheels thing again? Oh no, it is. That's not good. That's not good. So they must have split 2 cases. We're not getting the same thing. So no, we're getting Cactus Bang, which is the wait. Is it this or the other one that's paired with her? Oh, I don't know. Got this one with the bird. Not quite sure, honestly. Is that how as it appears in the cartoon? I think it might be. Then we got these wheels again. That's not good. This is not good. I was hoping to get a full set. However, that means we won't. Evidently, they mixed the boxes, but Where's Dusty Wheels gone? There she is. Vroom vroom. These grubs are a bit ropey. Right. Come on, give me fast cap. Not very helpful. Oh yeah. Right. Let's hope they haven't given us another repeat here. So these aren't all from a box. Oh no, it's speaking again. So yeah, they must have mixed these across several boxes then. That does make sense though, because they had to get 2 from the window. Well, no, they had to get 6 from the display they had in the window and 2 from the back. So that does make sense. And then okay, this is the thing that's supposed to be paired with Speed King's car. No, it's Super Whistle last. But let's get speaking out. The rear, come on, be fast cap. No, okay, so is this completely Speed King's car? Because I think this is what it's kind of supposed to be. Well, I think these are the wheels. I think remember in the cartoon, Speed King speaks in bed. Speaking speaks in first person or something like that. It's like Speed King is angry. Use the correct grammar. There we are, Speed King. So right, last 2, I think. Yes. Where's the opening on this one? Or there'll be some near opening anyway. Right, come on. Ideally fast Apple Ultra Rare, preferably fast cap. Right, have we got anything rare? No, we haven't. Rear. No, we got the bird again. Right, good. Got that again. Are we getting a repeat of anything particular? No, I don't think we are. Well, these are repeats, but let's say fourth to last. They're the Super Vroom wheels. A cockpit. Now, I've heard rumours that there's going to be a T-Racer Series 3. I think it's on Insert Joke Here's website. It says it's going to be like Mix and Race Legends or something, or Mix and Race Heroes, I think it is actually. But I would like a source for that. If anyone knows where that's come from, please do tell me, because I would like to know if T-Racers is being brought back or not. I'm thinking they've given it they've given it a 6 series and a reboot. Probably not. Well, I mean, it did well enough for them to give it 6 series, because like Star Monsters only got 2, and they were quite successful. Right. Yes, there is the car put together. Super Vroom. Now, please have fast capping. It's the one like proper part I need, although I might need wheels, although I never really checked, I don't think. I never got T-Racer Series 5. I think I just had other things to get and they weren't the priority. I'd like to eventually, but yeah, and of course I didn't get T-Racer Series 6. I don't think I ever got like the Mega Wheels or the Power Trucks, although I have actually got one of them. I got that recently from a charity shop. New in box. And okay, it's not okay. It's absolutely just graveyard of T-Racerage over here. and the Spider Attack, the Mega Wheels, and Power Shock I never got. I have it all. I didn't really place it for Light Speed. Ooh, Light Speed. Got a Grape. That nice one. That's an acceptable one. I think this is Master Goal here. Yes. Like the front. Again! The cockpit. That means they must have had at least 3 boxes here. Oh, the back. Please be fast cap. It's not. It's okay, it's the ice cream. It's an alright one, but it's not fast cap. Still incomplete. Still not completed. And it's these wheels again. So they must have had at least 24 T-Racers. Interesting to see that arcades are getting, because I've seen Zomlings and I've seen Super Zings, but never T-Racers. But here you are. Oh, come on. There we go. Master Goal. So everyone, yes, T-Racers unboxing, there you go. Could have gone better, could have gone worse. That was my general summary of this. So, yeah, we got the Speed King, Dusty Wheels, Master Gold, Dusty Wheels again, Golden Kraken, Speed King again, and Super Vroom. So, yes, everyone, this video I don't imagine will get really any views because no one likes T-Racers anymore. But, yes, yes, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys! Oh, I failed to stop recording. Why do I always do this?